Hi, this is Kapil, and today I'm going to make a very homely recipe. I make it quite often at home, and this is so comforting and homely, and you can have it with roti, you can have it with chapati, you can have it with as it is as well. So I'm making butter garlic mushrooms. So let's start. So first thing first, we'll add some butter in the pan. So the butter has melted, next goes in chopped garlic. And now I'll saute garlic in butter till it's nice golden in color. So this beautiful fragrance of garlic is telling me that I'm done. So next is the turn for mushrooms. So here I have button mushrooms and shitake mushrooms and white and brown color shimeji mushrooms. Add a good pinch of salt and just mix mushrooms with butter and garlic. That's it, and do not touch for a minute. Let the mushrooms cook in the butter and the garlic, and what happens is that if you are not mixing mushrooms too much at this point of time, then you get the nice toasty bits of mushrooms around the corners, which taste super delicious in this recipe. So now is the time to mix. So mushrooms are nicely roasted. Now I'll spice it up. I'm adding chilli flakes and little bit of crushed black pepper and some chopped parsley. Now mix, mix, mix. And this super easy, quick dish is done. So now is the time to serve. Just make sure you're serving it hot because it has to be enjoyed immediately. I'll garnish it with some parsley. So our butter garlic mushrooms are ready. So do try this homely, comforting, easy recipe of butter garlic mushrooms, and better the butter, better the dish. So try at home and do let me know how it turned out for you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.